Oh, Dude just got bodied by a frickin' pig. What's up, YouTube? Unlikely Hero here, and we are going to be playing a new short horror game called Meat Grinder. From what I could tell, you're being chased by Piggy, or Peppa Pig, or something. Okay, let's just check it out, shall we? It's late, it's time to go home, and all the colleagues have left already. Okay. Now I have to turn off my laptop, pick up my documents from Ben's office, grab my jacket, and go home. Anything else? Let's turn that off. Whoa. Okay. Turn off the laptop, pick up the documents, take the jacket. Where's my documents and jacket? Here. In here. Oh, this office building is huge. Who's this? What's up, bro? You leaving? Is Tim still here? I thought everyone was gone. Tim. You should get out of here, dude. Something weird's going on here. Someone knocked their laptop off the desk. There's my jacket. Am I a firefighter? So where are these documents? Another game where you just walk super duper slow. Oh, here we go. Okay, now let's leave, right? Simple as that. They're just gonna let me walk out the front door, call it a day, game over. Front door's open? No. Lovely day for a walk. The walking is agonizing. I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully nothing's chasing me or I'm a goner. Heading home to the old homestead. Okay. We're home. Oh, Dude just got bodied by a frickin' pig. Didn't even let out an oink or anything to let me know he was there. Where am I? The last thing I remember is the muzzle of a pig. Welcome to Pig House. Okay, so I can run. Good. Pig Maniac. Over the past week, a maniac in a pig suit has killed 3 people. One eyewitness who managed to escape says that the maniac did not utter a word. Perhaps he is dumb. On the latest news, journalist Don Landry. Okay. Let me out of here. Welcome to Pig House. It won't let me out. Okay, so there's a key in my bed. There we go. I'm gonna have to turn my light off, guys. I apologize, because I cannot see with it on, so it might be a little dark on my screen, but this game is really dark, so I can't. What's that sound? I don't know, but I'm hauling A. Whoa. Oh shoot. What the frick? I can't see anything. Oh, I have a flashlight. Okay, that helps. Start running. He's on. on me. I wonder how fast he is. Not fast enough. Piggy. Piggy Wiggy. Second floor. Okay. Okay, where do I want to go? Just flicking switches. Anyone else just do that? You don't even care what it goes to, you just flip it. Hope it's for the best. Oh, what is this? Are you a person? Dude, you creepy. That was pretty creepy, not gonna lie. Anything in here? Fire extinguisher. Can't take that. Nice buns. Excuse me. Ooh. Don't. What? I can't pick up the knife. Oh my gosh, we got mannequins here. It's always mannequins. Can't believe he won't pick up this knife. I find that hard to believe. So maybe I gotta flick all these switches and then open that door. Handcuffs. What's this guy doing in here? There we go. Nothing over here? Okay. So my guy's running right now. This is walking. This is running. He'd be slow. There's something in the box. I need to break it. You need to break it. Break it. Break it. What do you mean you need to break it? Just chuck it on the ground. Bash it against the wall. Oh, here we go. There we go. Oh, got a key. So that should take me to that door. Oh crap. He's up here. He's chasing me. I'm full throttle here, guys. I can't go any faster. I don't like the fact that I have to fumble with this key when I get here, too. Did I make it? Oh, I beat it. Thanks for playing. That was too easy, my guy. Okay, so that was Meat Grinder. Super short, super sweet. I did die once. I hate to say it. So that was Meat Grinder. And it was short and sweet. That is actually a pretty decent game. Decent concept. Cool. Killer. You just need to do a little more with it. Make it a little longer. I thought it was going to be long. Like, it seemed like it was the type of game that was going to drag out. But no, that was super short. Super sweet. But yeah, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.